Alright, so the fun begins here, huh? Starting the construction project on the villa. We gotta get this, needs some work, so we gotta get it done before the peak season. That's for sure. We'll get it done the next month or so. A lot of work. I got it signed here. I give him money. He has it. He's starting the furniture paint. Hello, nice. Here we're just painting the walls. Gotta get rid of all this barbed wire. Everything has to look new. Day 2 of the rehab. Taking off all 10 years or something like that. We look here, what else we got here? Still working, it look like. Furniture looks nice and white. Might have to put another be in the restroom right now, so just let them do their thing. But yeah, this is day 2. Let's go. Oh, this has to be nice and white. I have to put another coat on there, it ain't gonna work. Crazy. He said I can put this on the motorcycle. I don't know, man. They're gonna get me, the police. This guy's crazy. He's crazy. But they say, all right. If the police stop me, I'm gonna tell them your name. Huh? Oh, what's your name? Okay, Audi?
Madindra.
Madindra. I'm gonna say, hey, yeah, police get me. I'm gonna get him. No, fellas. Know in the comments. I don't know. It looks like he's got it, but I don't. He's still kind of tall. Luckily, I'm a, you know. Alright. We're 100% Indonesian now. I turned into a Gojek. I'm a Gojek now. Delivery's made. Who needs a delivery, baby? I'm a Latino Gojek. I'm a low jack. Let's get these fans delivered.